Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can enable the status bar in the Midori web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, the status bar is a bar in a web browser like your Midori that shows you or is showing you the status of the given connection to the given website. For example, if it keeps loading or if it finished loading, or I don't know, if it's loading certificates, anything like that. And you can enable this in most web browsers, including here in Midori. To do that, here in Midori, you will need to right-click into that space here next to all your open tabs and select status bar. And you will see it here at the bottom. So if I, for example, head over to this website here and refresh it, you will see, as you can see, that status here in the bottom left corner showing you that the given website is being loaded, or that you're loading it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.